Who still uses a bathtub these days? We don't. If you do, leave a comment below. In this bathroom remodel video, I will show you how to tile your shower floor. Hey guys, welcome to Dedicated. My name is Andy, and this is part of my bathroom remodel series where I'm converting my bathtub into a shower and remodeling the bathroom, doing everything myself. I'll be using these hex tiles that come on 12 by 12 sheets. The very first thing I suggest you do before tiling is lay out the entire floor with tile and see what kind of pieces you're going to get on each end. This gives you the opportunity to adjust, so that way you don't have any small tiny pieces that you have to cut, because with these small tiles it's already hard to cut as it is, but if you're cutting tiny pieces in a lot, it's just very time consuming. Keep in mind you can have a small gap by the wall that you will cover up with the wall tile, so you can account for that a little bit depending on the thickness of the tile that is on your wall. Once everything is laid out, you can mix the mortar and begin the installation process. I recommend removing a small section at a time and spreading the cement. If this is your first time tiling, don't be intimidated using the trowel. You hold it at a 45-degree angle and try to evenly spread the cement across the floor to making sure that you have an evenly distributed amount of cement everywhere. This will help you make sure that your tile is leveled. And then cutting all the necessary pieces on the sides before moving to the next section. Carefully place each sheet and try to pat it down gently. That way each piece is intact. Try to keep the same spacing between the 12 by 12 sheets to match the pattern of the sheet. Continue at this pace until the entire floor is covered. Now, tiling around the drain will take the longest because there's going to be a lot more cuts, especially if you're using a circular drain. I'm using a square drain in this case, but it still was time consuming to cut all these little pieces. Once everything is done, wait 24 hours and then you can grout. I'll cover the grouting process in my next video. Therefore, subscribe and I'll see you next time.